If you could impart one last nugget for people as they listen, as they try to think about, gosh, could I do that? Could I build up millions of dollars of investments early enough in my life to be able to be okay financially or have a work optional lifestyle? What would you say to them?
Start today.
Mm-hmm.
Just because of the power of compounding and the time value of money and all the ways to look at that is don't wait till tomorrow, and just make some type of a financial commitment to your future self. And it doesn't have to be, 20% of your income right away. We'd like you to get there as soon as you can, because the sooner and the more you can put away towards wealth building, the quicker you'll get there. And just think about the first dollar that you save. Like you're going to put away $1 a week. What's the easiest way to earn 100% rate of return on that dollar? Figure out a way to save a second dollar.
Oh,
I know you can't do that all the time, and the math doesn't work for every amount, but just think about
quickest way to get 100% rate of return on a dollar that you've saved is save another dollar. And now we're talking about it in the context of the Millionaire Next Door and the way you built it. But what we would say is now that you would put money toward asset building. You would put money into your wealth coordination account, which I'd highly encourage you guys just search wealth coordination account anywhere on iTunes. I think we're the only one that uses that term in any podcast in existence. And we've got 2 or 4 episodes just specifically on that topic. So you can take that in. I've got to tell you, if what we could do as a result of this podcast is create a conversation and situation for all of you that we could enable you to break apart from the cultural common sense. If we could put you in the position that you could realize that you can live for the future that you're building for yourself and your family, that you don't have to live in the same future everybody else is. One thing that I would love to leave all of you with today is no longer say to people, I can't afford that. Because the minute you say the word afford, you are on their field of play. Your friends say, you make good money. You can definitely do it. You should just tell them, say, we would love to go do that, but it would break strategy for us. But in order to say that, what you have to have is a strategy.